Hi students, so today we are going to study about tenses. There are three types of tenses: past, present and future. This is very well known to you. Now let's talk about past tense in this video. In the past tense we have four different kinds. One is simple past, the other ones are past continuous, past perfect and past perfect continuous. So let's get started and see the uses of simple past tense. The simple past tense is used when we are talking about things that just have happened or the action that is over and has no effect right now. So, for example, I take the first one. I visited my grandmother. So this is a sentence that shows that I visited her. Now I'm back and the action is over. Now we can use it for completed action that in the past, like I met him last evening. That is also a completed action happened in the past. We can use it for single period with time expression, like somewhere, someday in the past it happened for some period of time, like my father talked on phone for 10 minutes, okay, that day. So at a particular time, for a few minutes or for a few seconds it happened. Okay, now we can also use it for the habit in the past, like I used to wake up early. That is simple past tense sentence example. Now more about simple past tense. As you guys are just informed that the past tense, it takes second form of verb. It is very much different from simple present tense, which takes verbs first form or is mr. When we are talking about simple past tense, we use verb second form, past participle, or we use was or were. Simple past tense, it has the sentences have some adverbs that gives you a hint that here it should be simple past form of the verb, like last month, yesterday, or just now, long back, previous year. So these are the adverbs that will give you a hint that we should use simple past tense. There are some examples given. Yes guys, it is very much important to practice the positive sentences. The formation will be subject plus was or were or verb second form plus object. Okay, so like I studied yesterday evening. I studied yesterday evening. That is our simple sentence. But when we form negative of it, we do not say I studied not or I not studied. I'll say I did not study. You heard it right. I'll say I did not study. Did not is automatically a second form of verb, so we do not need to use verb second form with did not. Did not will always take verbs first form. So I'll say I did not study yesterday evening or yesterday evening, right? In the similar way, you can see the few examples given. He met his wife. Now if I need to change it into negative, I'll say he did not meet his wife. He did not meet his wife. Okay, so there are many examples given for your practice. Now let's move to the next tense, that is past continuous tense. Continuous means progressive, so this tense is also called past progressive tense. It refers to a continuous action or state that was happening at some point in the past, and the past continuous tense is formed by combining the past tense of to be, that is watch or were, with the verbs present participle. Present participle means verbs ing. So we'll be combining past tense of to be verb means watch or were, and verbs present participle, that is verbs ing forms. In simple words, we can say watch were plus verbs ing will form your helping verb plus main verb part. Okay, now this tense is used for a certain moment in the past. Someone was in the middle of doing something, like I was sleeping at 3 a.m. in 3 a.m. Okay, two or more actions were happening at the same time, like I was eating and he was watching TV. Or we also use this type of sentence or this tense particularly, when there is interruption, okay, we use the past simple for the short action that interrupted the longer one, and we use past continuous tense for an action which was interrupted. When one action is interrupted, we use past continuous for an action which was interrupted, and we use simple past for short action that interrupted. Like Jane was waiting for the bus, that is our long action, okay. And then a short action interrupted, the short action is I met her. So I'll say when I met her, Jane was waiting for the bus. Let us know more about these long and short actions. See, Jim knocked the door, I was watching TV. The long action is I was watching TV, and the short action is when Jim knocked the door. When Jim knocked the door. Or we can just say while I was watching TV. While I was watching TV, because this is a long action, so I'll be using while I was watching TV, Jim knocked the door. I hope you got the difference. See, I'm using when with the short action, okay. I'm using while with the long action, when with the short action, and long while with the long action. So guys, don't forget that the when clause will be having verb second form. If the when clause will be having verb second form, that is simple past tense, the main clause that will be having was verb plus ing form, okay. Now there are a few more examples for you for your practice, okay. These are the solved example, and very soon I'll be sending you a quiz that will help you to know more about your